Welcome to my session, Devasri ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, could you introduce yourself? We are meeting
Yes, sir.
very first time it is.
Yes, sir. Sure. I'm Devishri from Andhra Pradesh. I have completed my pharmacy. Currently, I'm homemaker. Apart from that, I run a YouTube channel called Devi's English Journey, where I upload my conversational and solo videos. If I talk about my hobbies, reading books, listening music, and drawing. Whenever I get free time, I use it to learn this language. That's pretty much about me.
Okay, you do many things every day, right? You run YouTube channel means you have to edit, you have to record the video, you have to upload that video. So you do many things. So how do you manage that type of thing every day?
Actually, it was not easy, but I have inner fire. I want to achieve something big. So that's why I do. If I have hunger and burning desire, definitely I should take action.
Hmm. And you are speaking good way and your voice is great. So how it is possible? Did you learn this language? Which method did you follow to learn this language? So could you share your journey?
Yes, sure. I have been learning this language for past 5 months. I watch conversational and solo videos in English. Why I want to learn English is nowadays English is very mandatory. Whenever you go, whatever you do, English is very important. So that's why I want to enhance my English communication skills for better career opportunity.
Okay. So are you seeking job, career?
No, no job. I want to become entrepreneur.
Hmm.
So that's the main thing. English is very important.
Now you are housewife, right?
Yes, right now
Okay.
I'm homemaker.
So do you have child?
No,
Okay.
sir, I want to know about yourself.
Okay. So thank you for giving me this opportunity. I am Jamjul Haq. I am from West Bengal. Working in police department. It has been 9 years. Since then, I have been serving in this department. And 1 year ago, I started learning this language. Still, I am very
Okay.
consistent. But 6 months ago, 7 months ago, I created a YouTube channel because of my improvement in case of communication skill, in case of removing fear and eliminating shyness. So it is my main reason to learn this language to connect someone over the audio call, over the video call. It is all about me.
Yes, I watch your videos, sir. Your videos is very nice, sir. Especially you upload one routine video.
Solo video.
Yes, a solo video, shots, routine video.
Okay, yes. So, yes, solo video I make and conversational video I make. Solo video, sometimes I speak topic wise, like general knowledge topic. So
Okay.
that type of topic I make. Okay, and that's why I am going ahead. But still, I am facing different type of problems. Sometimes my brain goes blank. I know English or not. I forget. It happens when I change my place, when I change my environment. Like if I talk about my profession, I change my place. I get transferred in here and there. So it is the main problem. Like sometimes I come home. At that time, I my I change my workplace. Sorry, my place. Then it is happening. So what about you? What type of problem nowadays are you facing, or just smoothly your journey is going on? So what about your journey?
Yes, initially I was very afraid and shy to speak English with my co-learners. But after that, slowly I practice. Nowadays, nowadays I'm not afraid anymore. I
Hmm.
can free to speak with anyone.
Okay.
And also another struggle is I couldn't speak in topics. If you ask something, but at that time I couldn't speak.
Hmm.
I'm I'm fumble. I'm stuck. So these are the difficulties I faced. Now I'm working on it.
Hmm. So, how long ago did you start your YouTube journey?
Yes, I have been started my YouTube channel for past 1 month. Last month I
Okay.
started.
Okay. So you showed your courage. Okay. So you already starting point is important. Many people they think that when I will be perfect, then I will start. But it is the on type of loop. They cannot they cannot get ready anytime. They wait forever. But if they anyhow they start their speaking journey, they are any type of journey, then it is that's way it is happening. It happens. So you already started your journey means you have come lots of distance. And in future, what will you add in your journey besides conversational video?
Sorry, I didn't understand your question.
In future, what will you add in your YouTube journey? Like any public speaking or any new thing will you add, or just conversational video and sometimes solo video? It is your main motive.
Yes, in future I want to add some self-development topics because
Mm,
it is also important. English journey and English learning and self-development is also important in our life.
mm. Okay. And you are from Andhra Pradesh. So what is the
Yes,
main what for what it is famous?
yes. Here, Tirupati, holy temple. So many people uh, visit from our temple, visit to our temple,
Hmm.
and Hyderabad dum biryani, spicy food is famous here.
And do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling.
Hmm. So far how long sorry how many places have you joined or have you traveled?
Yes, I visited Kerala, Madurai Meenakshi Amman Temple, Tirupati, Kalahasti. That's it.
Okay.
And what
Hmm.
about you? You like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling, but I have no scope. Nowadays, I am occupied in my job, so I don't have time so much. So police job is very emergency job, hectic job. I can't get that much leave. Only few days leave I get. Then I spend with my family or in my village.
And I want to know about one thing. How do you manage your job and your learning journey?
Hmm. So you already mentioned that where is will, there is way. Like so anyhow, whenever I go outside, when I come back in my room, anyhow I want to take a session at night
Okay.
or in the evening or in the night afternoon. Anyhow, I want to take on session, and in the morning time when I take time, I topic wise I make video and I listen to music. I listen to some podcasts related and some I. That's way it is going on.
Okay. Are you listened English music?
Not English music, English related podcast like motivational video or leadership skill and how to take small action every day and
Okay.
hours. So that's why I listen to some podcast. And you also you are in the room, right? And so 1 month ago you started your YouTube journey. So
Yes.
how many session already did you take?
I think 4 sessions.
Okay. Already we started taking session, connecting people means your fear is vanishing day by day, day by day.
Yes.
Confronting fear, confronting problem is the main medicine. If you only if we just overthink that when I will be ready, when I'll be perfect, then I will do that. It never happens. So with fear, with difficulty, we have to go ahead, and then it is possible. So I had also fear. Nowadays also I have fear still. Around 50 or 60 conversation already I have made so far. So still I have
Super.
fear, still I am facing lots of difficulty, but only just I try to complete my daily routine on conversational video, on solo video. That's why I am going. Okay. Okay. And what type of method are you following?
What?
What type of methods are you following? Shadowing practice do you
Yes.
do?
Yes, I do, but not regularly. Occasionally, I do shadowing practice. Regularly, regularly, I'm practicing listening, reading, speaking, and writing.
Hmm. So four
Writing
pillar already.
also, yes, writing also. I'm not practicing. I'm not practicing regularly. Occasionally.
Hmm. Okay. And another thing is, do you have laptop or mobile?
No, I have mobile. I have laptop, but some audio issues is there.
Hmm.
That's why I couldn't connect with people.
Hmm. Have you visited ever West Bengal or Darjeeling by hill area?
No,
Only South India already you visit, right? South India
South India and Andhra.
and okay. Could you ask any question? So when I would like to ask another question. When you feel depressed and when your mind goes blank, so how do you calm yourself?
Yes, initially it happened for everyone in
Hmm.
learning journey. So only one thing, if you want to learn English or speak English confidently, definitely you can go through your afraid and shy, whatever it is.
Hmm.
After that, slowly it will disappear.
Hmm. So do you what do you think? Grammar parts is important or just speaking parts is enough to learn this language? What do you think?
No, if you want to speak English confidently, confidently, fluently means definitely you will learn basic English. What I learned, that's what I
Yes.
learned recently. Definitely you will
So
learn grammar.
okay. Who inspired you to learn this language? Who motivated you?
Yeah, I watch a lot of conversational videos, so I
Okay.
want to speak like them.
Okay. So great. Many I have another one of the friend. So I have his number and I connect them. And he is also learning English language. So he is from Visakhapatnam.
What? He's from
Visakhapatnam.
Visakhapatnam. Okay.
Hmm. Okay. So confidence, how to increase confidence?
Only one thing, if you do practice again and again, repetition, repetition works, I can say.
Hmm. Repetition. Okay. Repetition matters.
Yes, repetition matters.
Hmm.
If you practice again and again, definitely fear will disappear.
And confidence. After taking
Yeah,
action, confidence come. Not before. Not before. Many people think that uh, when confidence comes, then I will start. No, after taking action, the confidence follows. Mm.
yes, I also posted one video, Action Cures Fear. I learned recently from one book. Action cures fear. If you take action, fear will disappear.
Hmm. Yes, you are right. So even with your fear, if you take action, small action, useless video or meaningless video, but if you make every day, then automatically over time it will be correct, and your fear will vanish, and your confidence will come, and your journey will be made. That's way. Okay,
Yes.
it is the thing. So taking action is important, and stay calm. Staying calm is also important. Sometimes
And
we
enjoy.
compare.
Enjoy.
Sometimes we compare we ourselves to another other. Then we feel
Yes.
depressed and we get stuck and we skip some days. Then it is signal of quitting.
Yes, you said absolutely right.
Hmm. Okay, and another thing is so in which uh, are you studying or you have completed your graduation?
I completed my education.
Hmm. Okay,
I completed my pharmacy in 2020.
20.
Yes.
Okay, great. So would you ask question any?
No, I don't have any questions.
Okay. So what type
Okay,
of food?
how many hours do you spend this language?
How many hours per day?
Yeah, how many? Yeah, per day.
Okay. There is no specific time, but around 2 hours, 2 hours, 3 hours, sometimes 4 hours also, like reading something, making video, conversational video, making solo video. So it takes time. Around 3 or 4 hours I spend time. Sometimes I make audio call also. So it takes time. And that's why I am going. And so do you maintain diet?
What?
Do you maintain diet? Are you health conscious?
Uh, no, yes, I'm a health conscious person, but I didn't take any diet.
Hmm. So do
What?
you do morning walk?
Morning walk. Not morning walk, evening. I usually go walking for evening. In morning, I have household chores. That's why I couldn't go for walking.
Okay. It is around above 20 minutes. So I am glad. I am very glad, and I'm very delighted to join you with you. And sometimes something I have learned from you. You already discussed many things. So it is called practice. So that's why I am removing my fear. So it is my pleasure. It is my happiness. Every day I make that type of video. I connect someone. It may be another state people. It may be another country's people. I I get happy. Okay.
Yes, I also learned a lot of things from you, and thank you for that. I'm very glad to talk to you.
Okay. So can I hang up the call?
Yes, yes, sure.